हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेब डिजाइनिंग कंप्लीट कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। सिलेबस HTML, CSS, जावास्क्रिप्ट, jQuery, PHP, MySQL. Introduction to HTML. It is not programming language, rather it is a markup language. HTML full form: Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup text to define a web page. HTML is developed by World Wide Web, currently using HTML 5th version. Where to write? You need to open Notepad. Open a new file and write HTML code in it. Save it with HTML extension. Execute it with some browser. You can reopen HTML file with Notepad to make any addition.